I saw their legs.
Where?
Come here.
Okay, what are we doing here?
Opening the box.
Yep.
The bees are here in number 7.
Okay, ready? Which one first? Okay. Got your gloves on?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Here they come. Okay. Now, ready for this one? Oh look, Bootsy's gonna cross the street. What are we gonna do today?
Found the queen.
Find the queen, and we're gonna install the Nucs, right? We take the frames out and transfer them one at a time into the boxes. Into the brood boxes, right, Haley? Yeah. Okay, give it some pumps, Haley. Whoa.
And now let's go to the bees.
Okay, let's do it.
The bees are big, they can't hit us.